What are you working on here, Moses?
Upgrading PCM.
What year is this vehicle?
This 2007 Land Rover.
2007 Land Rover.
Land Rover, yeah. And it needs to upgrade the PCM.
So we're reflashing the PCM, doing a program.
Yeah, we go through the whole procedurement, upgrading the computers to these far side tools. We got to use a special tool, pass through, and so it takes like around an hour to do it. So.
Okay, and what was the issue we were having?
The issue is we have codes for lean codes, but the readings are okay. So we went to troubleshooting procedure and steps, checking everything is okay, no leaks, no bad O2 sensors, so everything tested okay. So the other step is reflash the computer.
Okay, so we're doing the reflash right now to upgrade the computer so it'll read properly.
Exactly.
With
the far sight tool.
The far sight tool. Very good.